Hello, trading is closed on July 5, 2018. My last call said this was a negative pattern unless invalidated early. Invalidating it would be gapping up and taking out this high fast. That didn't happen, but I do have a standard rule that gapping smartly in the undesired direction kills the call before they open. So before we open, the call is killed. During the day, we had some signals. Now MEJT gives targets, it doesn't give entries and exits. Gave a target for lower prices, which we saw. Also gave a target. And almost always we're going to return to this line, which we did. We had this whipsaw action in the afternoon. The signal said that drop is false, this rally's false, this drop is false, and they've all retraced. Nothing for tomorrow. Well, the last date that I had was June 29th. That was here. That was a high. The open of the following trading day was a low. So no matter how that's within the tolerance. So no matter how you look at it, that's a change in trend. Now the question is, there is a tolerance, but was today a change in trend or not? And the answer is, I'm not sure. I can kind of explain any action tomorrow. We have a hole in the wall gap. These things tend to fill usually quickly. Doesn't mean you won't go higher first. We have an impulse down, 2.5 days of rally. Still haven't been able to take this out. But we did really rally all day long. I don't see any signs of a reversal yet. So with mixed signals like that, I'm just not going to make a call for tomorrow.